I'm going to show you how to be a vegan and how to be an entrepreneur, your own boss. Let's try to make this video real quick. Clap on. There you go. There you go. Ooh, you look so pretty. Alright, so check this out. Before I go, I want to let you guys know how to make a thumbnail. Okay? If you're not familiar with a thumbnail is an image that you see before you actually click on the video. This is very important for your click-through rate. If you are looking to get more people to watch your videos, it gets people's attention, they're eye-popping, and it just attracts more viewers, which is good for you to get the message out there of whatever you want to make your message be. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it in today's video. I'm going to try to make it quick. Okay, so step-by-step process on how to make a thumbnail. Really easy process. I often use PNG files, PNG images for my thumbnails, which I'm going to explain to you guys why I do that. PNG files, if you guys are not familiar with a PNG is, I can't remember what it stands for, but I'll talk about it in another video. So look in that video in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. And basically, in a nutshell, it is just an image with no background, and it makes it very easy to look at because there's no background. You can put it on different stuff, and I use the same images a lot of the times. So the actual image that's going to be this thumbnail is going to be the one that I'm going to be making during this tutorial on how to create a thumbnail, which is very good for you guys. Okay, so boom, we're gonna put in the show my screen like I always do. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is Campbell. Once you create an account, you'll be able to see this. Okay, you can do more than the thumbnail. You can do several things. You can do your business card, postcards, flyers, posters, invitations, cards, letterheads, all that kind of stuff. So as you can see, these are all the images that I have done thus far. This is one that I did not too long ago for my other YouTube channel that I manage for my business partner and one of my clients. These are all of the images that I have, so I can always go back and edit them if I want to. But the first thing we want to do is create our dimensions, get our dimensions so we can know what size it is. You're going to go 1250 as the height, 750 for the width for YouTube. And then you're going to click design. And once you click, once you put in 1250 and 750, what I typically go to is I go to uploads and images. This is going to be real fast. You're going to have to keep up with me or slow down or pause it. So these are all of the images that I have right here. And a lot of the times, like I was saying, I use the same images. Okay, so I have a PNG image of mine. Oh, and this is a carrot that I use for my background photos that you watch my videos on a lot of the times, just so I can stick out more than my competition. So I keep the carrot for the vegan symbolism there. And then I'm going to use a PNG image of myself, and that is cartoonized. If you guys want me to show you how to do a cartoon, I can do those for you. Just let me know in the comments if you want one of those done. So this is a cartoon image of me, and I want to change the background. You can always change the background, so you can go to background and click that, click different colors and stuff like that, whatever you want. Just follow my instructions. You don't even have to listen to what I'm saying. Just watch some of the stuff that I can do, and you can kind of just play with it. Sorry if this is, if I'm going too fast. Alright, so you got different text and fonts and stuff that you can choose from. I'm going to use From the Table, Farm the Table as one of my favorite fonts. So I'm going to go ahead and use that because I feel like it's a good fit for this type of video. And I like my videos to be really eye popping and happy. So I use a lot of cartoon images because cartoons make a lot of people happy, makes kids happy all the time. Why can't they make you happy? So, and it just like shows my personality. So I'm just gonna simply put how to make a thumbnail. This font comes with like extra text. I always delete the extra text because I don't really need it. Plus, when it's in a thumbnail, you can't really see it anyway. So I take that out. I'm gonna take this at the bottom. Once I take this at the bottom, I'm gonna show you guys how to change the font. You're just gonna highlight that, copy and paste it, move to this blue. We're gonna change the color to orange. That's my color. You can change it to whatever color you want, but I'm choosing orange. And this looks like it needs something else. So we're gonna add another image on here, okay? Let's go through the photos that we have here. Let's see what we have here. YouTube. Since it's on YouTube, we're gonna make it a YouTube image, okay? Let's go ahead and make this a YouTube image. You're gonna put like the little YouTube image PNG file there, and you can Google all of these too. If you want a YouTube PNG file to put on or a certain logo that you want to put on, just Google the PNG. I like dogs, so I just put a dog here and put the PNG, put the PNG of the dog. I know this guy. I know people. You guys are like, well, this guy is weird, but that is what I'm gonna do, just to show you guys that you can do what you want as an entrepreneur for the most part, as long as it's legal. Then once we're done, we're gonna click download. Second button to the right. I go to JPEG, JPG. Once again, if you guys don't know what a JPEG is, look in the description below. I'll talk about that more in detail. And then all you have to do is click download. It'll load up. Once it load up, it says your design is ready for downloading. And then I'm gonna exit out of this. And as you can see, it's already downloaded. So I can drag and drop and do what I want to do after that. Then I go to YouTube. So let's stop it here. And that is how you make a thumbnail. Just so you guys know, I pre-record these tutorials. I pre-record the screen first, and I always forget what I'm gonna say while the screen is recorded. So that's why it's going so fast. So make sure you just pause it if I went too fast. But it's really simple. And if you want to make your own thumbnail, just play with it. Play with the software. You created an account. It's free. The only time you got to pay for it is when you're making your upgrades and stuff like that. I love these kind of sites. So if you want to, make sure you just look at the upgraded portions of the platform, and help them out so they can keep on giving us free stuff, for the time being, for the most part. Hope this video is very helpful to you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo! What's going on, YouTube? Jeremiah, the vegan entrepreneur here, and I want to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe. All you have to do is go to my videos or something like that and click the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, click the bell. The bell is the key to success. That is going to allow me to come up and let you know each time I get a video. Thank you.